Hi friends, in last class we discussed about famous battles in Indian history. So in today's class we discuss one activity based on observing type of plastics in objects using recycling codes. So there are various recycling codes in objects. So how to observe what type of plastic? So what in synthetic fibers and plastic we discussed about plastics and various types of plastics. So in objects, how to observe which type of plastic is that object. So using these recycling codes, we observe which type of plastic is that object. So once we see the recycling codes, we can see here the symbol of one is there and here PET. The PET plastic we can observe like here one bottle is there. So how to observe that which type of plastic is this? Using this recycling code we can observe. So I can. So here you are observing one in the board. I've written one. So that type of symbol is there in the bottle. So you are observing here. So here down PET name also has been written. So like this we are observing the objects which type of plastics. So again here some more examples is there. I will show. So this is a coconut oil. So here HDPE, the symbol is 2. We can observe this in the object, this symbol. So let us observe. All of you see here 2 symbol is there and down HDPE has been written. So we can observe that this coconut oil box is a HDPE plastic. Here one powder box is there. Here PVC plastic and the symbol is 3. We can observe this symbol in this object, this powder box. So let us observe. Here you are observing the symbol of 3. So this is a PVC plastic. Okay, now we can discuss LDPE plastic. The symbol is 4. Here you are seeing a plastic cover. In this plastic cover, let us observe the symbol is 4 is there or not. So here you are observing the symbol 4 and the down LDPE. So here observing that this plastic cover is a LDPE plastic. Now we can discuss PP, polythene plastic. The symbol is 5. This is a lunch box. So we can observe here the symbol of 5 is there or not. Here you are observing the symbol 5. Here you are observing the symbol 5 and the down PP. So this lunch box is a PP plastic. The symbol is 5. Now we can observe 6. PS. So PS plastic is commonly in paper cups or paper aluminium cups, but this symbol is not there in that cups. Using this plastic they are made. So many objects have not there in 6 symbol. So you can just listen. PS plastic has been in paper cups or aluminium coating cups. Okay. So now we can observe here 7 other. Other means not, friends. Here so many symbols you are observing. The combinations of these symbols is called these 7 other. So these 7 other also is there in objects. Let us see. Here you are observing a soap cover. So in this cover we can observe. So here smallly quoted 7 and the down written other. So in these objects we can, like this, we can observe the recycling codes and which type of plastic is the object. So this is our today's activity and today's class is going to completed. Friends, if you have any doubts, keep it in our comment section. If you like this video, press like button and